हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल ABPS स्टडी सेंटर। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं जम्मू एंड कश्मीर की फ़ेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ के बारे में। ये पार्ट 2 है वीडियो का। आपको पार्ट 1 वीडियो जो है आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में के बारे में जब बता रहे होंगे तो आप वीडियो को पॉज करके उनके जो नोट्स हैं अपनी कॉपी में लिख लेना, आपको इससे बेनिफिट होगा। और जब हमारा ये टॉपिक जो है इंडियन फेमस जम्मू कश्मीर पर्सनालिटीज़ जो है कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो हम एक वीडियो उसके बाद लेके आएंगे जिसमें हम आपको सारे के सारे MCQs बताएंगे जो इस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड है और एग्ज़ामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो आप हमारे चैनल को डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना और नोटिफिकेशंस को भी ऑन कर देना ताकि आपको कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना हो। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हमारी सबसे पहली पर्सनालिटी आज की है अल्लुतुल्ला आगा सैयद यूसुफ अल मुसाफ़ी। ही वॉज बॉर्न इन बुदगांव in 1322 Hijri, completed his education in Islamic law from Najaf in Iraq. He was a Kashmiri religious scholar and leader of Shia sect of Muslims. He founded the Anjuman-e-Sharia organization which remains influential under his successor. Agha Sahib, he was popularly known as Agha Sahib, was a charismatic leader, a social reformer, a visionary, an educationist, a scholar. During the reign of Maharaja Gulab Singh, Pratap Singh and Hari Singh, an article was included in the Constitution of Kashmir which bestowed this family with a unique honor. According to the article, if anyone from the Agha family was required to give testimony in any case, then he would not go to the court. Instead, the court would come to his residence and record the testimony. No one from Agha family should be summoned in the court. So इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि उनको एक स्पेशल ऑनर प्रोवाइड किया फंस जाता है तो उसको कोर्ट में बुलाया जाता है। तो उसको क्या करना है, इस ऑनर के प्रति चलते हुए उनके फैमिली का कोई भी बंदा जो है कोर्ट में नहीं बुलाया जा सकता। इंस्टेड क्या होगा, कोर्ट उनके घर पे खुद आएगा और उनकी टेस्टिमनी को रिकॉर्ड करेगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पर्सनालिटी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वो है अमरनाथ कक्ख। 1889 to 1963 was a prominent Kashmiri lawyer and author whose most important books are Hamara Vrittanta and the Gayatri, both written in Hindi. He was the older brother of Kashmiri archaeologist and politician Ramchandra Kakk. Hamara Vrittanta contains information on the social and religious life of Kashmiri Pandit in the first half of the 20th century. It also presents the drama of war between India and Pakistan. नेक्स्ट हमारा है कलकाना। बॉर्न इन कस्टमरी पंडित फैमिली ऑफ मिनिस्टर चंपका हु सर्व्ड किंग हर्षा रीजन 1089-1101 AD of the Lora dynasty. He was well versed in Sanskrit as depicted by his work. The introductory verse to each of the 8 books in his Raja Tarangani are preferred with prayers to Shiva, a Hindu deity. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो भी उन्होंने बुक्स लिखी थी, 8 बुक्स लिखी थी, उसमें जो उनका स्टार्टिंग होता था वो सबसे पहले गॉड शिवा को प्रेयर्स ऑफर करते थे तो फिर ही वो बुक को स्टार्ट करते थे। और उनकी बुक के स्टार्टिंग में सबसे पहले उन्हीं के बारे में कुछ प्रेयर्स लिखी हुई थी। कलकना वो समटाइम्स स्पेल कलंग और कलकाना। He was the 12th century Kashmiri author of Raja Tirangani. Raja Tirangani का मतलब क्या होता है? The River of Kings and account of history of Kashmir. He wrote the work in Sanskrit between 1148 and 1149. He was also sympathetic to Buddhism and Buddhists tend to reciprocate these feelings towards Hindus. नेक्स्ट की बात करते हैं तो दीनानाथ नदीम। दीनानाथ कोल नदीम 1916 to 1988 was a Kashmiri poet of the 20th century. Born on 8th March 1916 in Srinagar city and with him began an era of modern Kashmiri poetry. बहुत ही important question है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, कि किसके साथ एरा बिगन हुआ था मॉडर्न कश्मीरी पोइट्री का, तो वो है दीनानाथ नदीम. ही वॉज द फर्स्ट कश्मीरी पोइट टू राइट इन ब्लैक वर्स. हु वॉज द फर्स्ट कश्मीरी टू राइट इन ब्लैक वर्स वॉज दीनानाथ नदीम. ही यूज्ड द कश्मीरी लैंग्वेज विद ग्रेट ग्रेस एंड क्राफ्टमैनशिप. He depicted the beauty, the poverty and the plight of Kashmir in his poetry. He received the Soviet Land Nehru Award in 1971. He received the Sahitya Natak Academy Award in 1986 for his book Shuhul Kul. नेक्स्ट है आपके मज़रुद्दीन वादू. ठीक है. Born on 12th February 1984, is a former Indian football player and the current assistant coach of Hyderabad Football Club. During his playing days, Wadu played for clubs such as Mohan Bagan, East Bengal, Salokar, Pune City, Chennaiyin and Mumbai City. He also represented the Indian national team from 2005 to 2011. नेक्स्ट है आपके मुजामिल इब्राहिम. Muzammil Ibrahim is a model turned actor who won the Gladrags Manhunt Award in 2003 at the age of 18. Originally from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, he holds a record of being the youngest winner of the contest. At the age of 7, he won the National Bravery Award in 1993 for saving a child from drowning who fell into a pool, and 19 years later he again saved a 60-year-old lady from getting sunk into the sea and won the Godfrey Phillips National Bravery Award in 2009. नेक्स्ट हमारे हैं गुलाम रसूल संतोष. मैं आपको थोड़ा सा जूम इन करके बता देती हूँ इनके बारे में. Is also known as G.R. Santosh, was a prominent Kashmiri Indian painter and poet. He was best known for his themes inspired by Kashmiri Saivism. In the early 1960s, Santosh studied Tantric mystical art and Kashmiri Saivism. In 1964, he adopted this style to create some best example of modern Tantric painting. His paintings are known for the vibrancy of colors, neat lines, spiritual energies and sensuousness. Santosh also wrote plays, poetry and essays in Kashmiri. He was also an authority on Kashmiri Saivism and one of the very few people who can read and write the ancient and extant Kashmiri script called Shraddha. In 1979, he became the recipient of Sahitya Academy Award for his poem titled Bhi Sukhe Roo. Next आपके है प्रण किशोर कोल. Pran Kishore Kaul is a Kashmiri stage personality. In addition to his acting, he has directed and written screenplays. He was presented with the Sahitya Academy Award for his novel Sheen to Vitupod. He was one of the founder of the Milansar Kashmir Music and Dance Group, a group that travels widely with the goal of supporting Kashmiri and Indian art. He is best known as the creator of 1991 Doordarshan TV serial Gulshan Gulfam. In 2008, Kaul was awarded with the Civilian Award and Padma Shri. सॉरी, यहाँ पे कोल के स्पेलिंग गलत लिख दिए गए हैं, तो कोल COAL नहीं है, KAUL है. नेक्स्ट आपकी पर्सनालिटी है पृथ्वीनाथ दर. March 1919 to 19 July 2012, he was born in Kashmir to Dr. Vishnu and Dr. Radha Hakim. He was an economist and the head of Indira Gandhi Secretariat and one of her closest advisors. Served as the principal secretary to PM Indira Gandhi during the tough days of the emergency from माफिया. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. हु इज़ नोन एज कश्मीरी माफिया? पृथ्वीनाथ दर. He was awarded with Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian award in 2008. His biography, Indira Gandhi, The Emergency and the Democracy, was published in 2000. नेक्स्ट है आपके सैयद मीर कासिम 1921 to 12 December 2004. He was the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir from 1971 to 1975 and was well respected throughout India as a gentleman politician. After India's independence, Sayyid Mir Qasim drafted the Kashmiri constitution and went on to serve in various states and union positions. Sayyid Mir Qasim most famously offered to resign from the office of Chief Minister in order to encourage and institutionalize the landmark Indira Gandhi Sheikh Abdullah Accord in 1975. His autobiography, My Life and Times, was published in September 1992. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian award, by Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam in 2005. नेक्स्ट है हमारा चैन सिंह. चैन सिंह वॉज बॉर्न ऑन 5th April 1989, डोडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, इंडिया. ही इज़ अ इंडियन स्पोर्ट शूटर. ही वॉन द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल एट द 2014 एशियन गेम्स इन द मेंस 50-meter राइफल 3 position event. He won an individual gold medal in the 7th Asian Airgun Championship in Kuwait. He won 6 gold medals, 3 in individual events and 3 in team events in 2016 South Asian Games. Represented to 15 April 2018, where he placed 4th in 50-meter rifle prone men event and 50-meter rifle 3 position event. So next हमारी हैं आज Padma Sachdev. She is an eminent Indian poet and novelist, first modern woman poet of Dogri language. So आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, who is the first modern woman poet of Dogri language? तो वो है Padma Sachdev. In 1971 she was awarded Sahitya Academy Award for मेरी कविता मेरे गीत. In 2001 she was awarded Padma Shri. Recently she received Saraswati Samman for her autobiography चिट चिट्ठे. नेक्स्ट है बख्शी गुलाम मोहम्मद 1907 to 1972, बिलोंग टू JNK नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस. ये कौन सी पार्टी से बिलोंग करते हैं? JNK नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस. सर्व एज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर फ्रॉम 1953 to 1964. ही वॉज द फाउंडिंग मेंबर ऑफ नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस. ही वॉज द लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. ही वॉज द फर्स्ट डिप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर between 1947 to 1953. In August 1953, Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah was dismissed and arrested, and Bakshi Ghulam Mohammed became Prime Minister of the state and also President of Indian JNK National Conference by majority vote of the state cabinet. The famous Kashmir conspiracy case against Abdullah and others was started during his tenure. सो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. बाकी की जितनी भी हमारी फेमस पर्सनालिटीज़ रह गई हैं तो वो हम आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डेफिनेटली कवर करा देंगे. और अगर इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगे हो तो प्लीज़ हमारी वीडियो को डेफिनेटली लाइक करना और प्लीज़ इसके नोट्स ज़रूर बनाना. आप ही के लिए